In this video, I'm going to show you how to make text without fill in Webflow. So here is our text right here, and let's make this a little bit bigger so that we see it. Let's make it about 50. And next thing that we want to do is scroll down to the bottom, and we will be looking for more type options. And on stroke, make sure that we set the stroke. So about, let's say we can do 5. If 5 is too much, let's say let's do 3. And we can choose the color to, for example, red. Let's make the stroke to just 1 pixel. And then on the color of the typography right here, which is the main text, let's set the color to transparent. And as you can see, the text has now a transparent fill. And that's about it. That's how to make text without fill in Webflow. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.